What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Prism fishing here. Got another box, came in the mail. I completely forgot about it, but I opened it up last night because I couldn't help myself. Got some really good stuff in here. Let's get into it. First up, little sticker here. Bass Xing, Tank Xing, you know. Pretty cool. Not a sticker guy. Got the card here telling you what's inside. The total value of this box was, I think, $40.38. Every month you can get a subscription plan through MTB. One box or 1 month of boxes is $40 or $30. Let me check. One MTB Pro Box for 1 month would be $30, and this was $40.38 in this box alone. And I have 3 boxes. I have one more coming in the mail. So whatever, let's get into it. Look at that. Savage Gear 4D Craws. These things look super epic, would be really good for river fishing. I'm planning on going to the river sometime soon. I don't know. It's in the 20s. It's cold, so, you know. Got this guy right here, which I'm pretty excited about. It's a little flat-sided crankbait. MTB exclusive is what it says, in a beautiful red color. Now, for spring, red is supposedly a really good color because of all the crawfish, crayfish, whatever you want to call them, crawdads, you know, that whole thing. Basically, these guys turn red in the spring. So this guy right here will definitely get bit. And I'm super excited to throw that. And it's flat-sided too, so it's really good for cold water, has that tighter action rather than a huge wobble back and forth. 10,000 fish Shikoshi bug. These guys are really good, especially for Ned rigging. Very good cold water baits. They have extremely good stretch. It's got a cool little color on it. It's got like blue and green pumpkin / blue. Very good colors, and that is exciting as well. I have a different pack in a different color. Let's pull it out. This is the color that I already had, just regular green pumpkin. That completely fell off the table. Some black and blue Weston brand worms. I've never used these guys, but I've heard that they're pretty good, like a high quality brand. They have a little slot in the middle there. I don't know if you guys can see it, but there's a little indentation in the worm, so it's easy to Ned rig it. You can Texas rig it, put some weights on it, do whatever. So that'll be interesting to see, and black and blue is always a good color. Let's talk about this first. So these are some pretty funky looking hooks. So basically what these are meant to do is that little extra gap right there lets the fish's mouth like pin up against it, and supposedly holds fish better than just the normal loop that you would on a normal hook. But whatever, I mean, I'm not much of a hook kind of guy. I'm not a hook connoisseur. I mostly use lures like crankbaits and jerkbaits and things like that. So that would be interesting to see how those work. I'll let you guys know the next time I use it. Last night, I saw this card in there talking about Ketchco's new collaboration with these guys that are based out of Chicago, who made this brand new jig. It's a super tiny jig, and they call it the Baby Firework Jig. Do I have that right? Firework Super Jig. And I was like, why did I get the card if I didn't get the bait? And I was pretty upset because I was like, man, I don't see it at all. So I ended up shaking the box, and then I ended up getting one. It's right here, but I completely missed it. So check that little guy out. Look at that. Super small guy. Very, very glad that I got this, because this guy will absolutely kill in ponds and get those finicky fish out. You guys can probably see it's called a firework because of the way that the skirt like explodes out. So yeah, that'll be really nice to use. I already experimented with some trailers and how it looks on that. So I put a Gary Yamamoto Super Grub tail on there. So I think that's a 3-inch grub with a super long tail. And I cut it down a little bit and it looked really good. So I think that is gonna be the juice on this guy. But yeah, other than that, super excited about this box. Got the Dibble tips and tricks on how to use your different lures. Just quickly go over what they have in here. 6 tips for fishing in tough conditions. You got vertical jigging tips, temperatures, different things like that. Yeah. I like experimenting on my own, but if you guys need the tips and tricks or just want to go ahead and read it, you can. I think it's pretty interesting and it's great for beginners, and it's all right for experienced people as well who might need some help fishing in some tough conditions. But that's all that came in the box. The super jig, this great MTB exclusive flat crank, weird looking hooks. Excited about these guys. I'm not sure how I want to rig these up. They look a bit small to be Texas rigged, so I might just throw them on a little jig head or something. But the 4D craws, Sakoshi bugs, fantastic. And then I'm thinking this summer I might try to get into throwing worms more often, because as you guys know from the last time I went fishing, the little blue wacky worm, let's see if I can pull it out. The blue worm that I used last time to fish actually ended up catching 99% of the fish. So this guy right here has a little nail weight in the end. So fishing with worms will catch a lot of fish, especially in the cold water. But anyways, interested to see how these will work. Yeah, that's all that came in the box, guys. $40.38 for this box. If you want to get your own mystery tackle box, this is the Pro Box. That'll cost you $30 a month. Hey, extra $10.38 for this box. This single box alone. So that's pretty good, guys. I mean, I love mystery tackle boxes. I love a lot of different other brands too, like Guggen. You guys already know. I love my Guggen stuff. I forgot to mention, I've got a banger, but I've had so many different bangers. A banger also came in this box, I forgot to mention. Let's just go ahead and list it all off. The Lucky John flat crank, that was this guy right here. The exclusive lure, this guy right here. That was $10. That's pretty expensive for a crankbait, but you know, whatever. Guggen Squad banger, that was in a sexy shad color. You guys already know what those look like. I've talked about them a lot. Banger came in there. These worms, $5.99. The banger was $7.99. And then let's see what else we got here. Sakoshi bugs, $5.29. Let's see. The craws were up next. $4.99 for these guys. And then the little firework jig was $4.29. And then these guys, $4.28 for these hooks. No, $1.80. I said that wrong. I was looking at the wrong thing. Whatever. $1.80 for the hooks. All right. Plus the sticker. The sticker isn't in with the total, so let's just say 25 cents. But yeah, that's pretty good, guys. So over $40.38 for all of this stuff. That is a killer of a deal, because you're only paying $30 per box, because it's per month really, but you get one box a month. $30 a month for a single box, and this box, $40.38. That is a steal, guys. It's got some really good baits. I'm really excited to throw this guy. You guys know I love throwing crankbaits and stuff like that. So yeah, very, very interesting. And if you guys haven't watched any of my other videos before, make sure you go ahead and check that out. Mystery Tackle Box also has boxes on the lower end and boxes on the higher end. So this is the Pro Box. It's the middle of the road. It's the box that I like the most. I have not got the Elite Box yet, which is one above. Very interesting to try that out. That will be $40 a month, but I'm pretty sure you'd be getting like $50, $60 value in it. And then there's a regular box, which is $20 a month. And I have not had any of those yet, but I think the regular boxes are the ones that you can pick up from like Walmart and things like that. So yeah, stay tuned guys, stay awesome, and I'll catch you on the next one.